What up, guys? Dicey Panda here today, and today we are going to be playing some more Bloxburg. I know you guys love it, so let's get right into the video. Let's go!
Are you recording? You did really good. Oh, sorry about that.
So, let's start. We're calling it Blob. Here's me. And that's his house. House bills. Oh, come on. I need to pay bills. $45! Throw a party. I'm throwing a party. So we're gonna throw a party. Screens fixed. So let's get inside my house. I'm a little bored right now. Starving, so you're gonna roast a marshmallow. Ooh, what does that say? Bloxy Award ceremony taking place. And so we're gonna just go sleep. So, it's pretty good. How about we shouldn't play this game? Because there's nothing to do. So, yeah. Bye. We're gonna say bye to that game. And I'm so sorry that that's a short video. I'm so sorry that is a short video. It's just that I don't really know what to play. Oh, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.